There it is. One of those blue lines right there. From a freaking mouse. Well, my 2001 BMW 540i has recently developed a bout of incontinence. Fuel is pouring out at a pretty good clip from the front of the fuel tank located just in front of the rear passenger wheel. A more intelligent man might have realized that the fuel only poured out when the fuel pump was active, i.e. it was a sender problem. But I'd seen too many things on the internet where people were having trouble on the filler side of things, so I decided to pull my 20-year-old wheel well liner and have a look. Turns out, still leaking from the front of the tank. Time to take out the back seat. Hey, finally something easy to do on a BMW. Under the seat is a small access hatch, retained by 3 Phillips screws. The hatch gives you access to the top of the fuel tank and the sending unit. Initially, the top of the fuel sending unit was dry, which surprised the heck out of me. Digging underneath, I pulled out an entire rat nest. Removing the rat nest showed me exactly where my fuel leak was. A mouse had actually chewed on the fuel line. A fuel line splice fitting later, and I was back in business, ready to test to see if I'd fixed the leak. Success, dry as a bone. Time for beer. Hey, thanks for watching.